Good morning, my dear student. As usual, in the previous class, today also I am presenting here in front of you, yes, to teach you about this new topic as a new lesson. Today I would like to start the unit 3, that is our folk song, okay, and inside this unit there is our folk musical instrument or dance, okay, and national days. All these are categorized inside this unit. Let's start today our folk song, okay. Now what is folk song actually? Folk song means in Nepali lok git, okay, a traditional song, okay, that is originated by our ancestor in ancient period of time or among this group of the people, that is passed down orally. Orally means maukhik rupma, from one generation to the another generation, or you can say from one to next generation. That is called folk song. But there are many more folk song in context to Nepal. Nepal is very rich in cultural diversity. Social norms and values are here, so that we are very rich in our folk song, okay. Especially Kaura is also one of the most important folk song that is used to song among the Magar community, or you can say Magar caste. And similarly Sabru is also one of the folk song, especially that is practiced, or you can say prevalent, especially in the Sherpa community. And there is a Deura is also one of the most famous folk song that is especially famous, or you can say prevalent, or you can say practiced in province number 7. And Hori is also the folk song, especially that is used to song in the province number 2 in Janakpur, that is also known as the Maithili, okay, that is Maithili folk song. And similarly there is one interesting folk song, and I think that is new for the student also, that is Sakela Sile. Sakela Sile is also one of the most famous folk song, especially that is practiced in this Udholi and this Ubholi festival. And there is this Palam song. Palam is also considered, or you can say categorized in this folk song that is used to commonly practices in this Limbu community. And similarly there is the Selo is very famous, especially that is used to practice in the Tamang community, or can say Tamang caste. And similarly there is the Kharka is the folk song that is used to sing, especially by the Gandharva, especially in the Batuli Chaur of the Pokhara. And similarly there is the Malsri especially is the folk song that is practices in the Dasai, on this in the season of a Dasai festival. Similarly there is the Tees, especially Nepalese married women used to sing such types of the song, that is Tees. And similarly there is this Deusi also. Deusi is also one of the famous and most practices in this Nepalese community, especially in many castes, especially in this Tihar. So all these are the collectively known as this folk song. So once again, my dear student, what is folk song? What is lok git then? Okay, a traditional song, okay, originating, okay, among the people, passed down orally from one to next generation, that is known as the folk song. The folk song especially originated by our ancestors, our forefathers, okay, and we are accepting such types of the songs until we are adapting and using in different fairs, mela, different festivals, okay, utsav, in different customs too. All these are known as the folk song, okay. And what are the importance of folk songs? Such types of the questions are very, very important for its examination point of view. What are its importance? Okay, now first, folk song are our identity. They are our identity, they are our pride. यो हाम्रो पहिचान हो र यो हाम्रो गौरव झल्काउने चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि ornament हो, सम्पत्ति हो. So for that the folk songs are very important for us. That is the first one. And second one is that they are the means of refreshment to kill the leisure time. They are the means of refreshment, okay, to kill the leisure time as well as tension, or you can say yes tiredness. हामीलाई टेन्सन भएको बेलामा, टायर्डनेस भएको बेलामा हामी खाली समयमा हामी यदि सङ्गीतहरू गीतहरू हामी सुन्छौँ भने यसले हामीलाई एक किसिमको चाहिँ प्लिजेन्ट चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि वातावरण सिर्जना गर्दछ. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि पनि द फोक सङ्ग्स आर कन्सिडर्ड एज द इम्पोर्टेन्ट इन आवर डेली लाइफ. सेकेन्ड. नाउ थर्ड वान इज द्याट they helps to introduce our yes cultural diversity. जति पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सांस्कृतिक विविधताहरू छन् हाम्रो देशमा त्यसलाई अहिले झल्काउने काम गर्छ इन दिस वर्ल्ड कम्युनिटी, विश्व समुदायमा हैन. हाम्रो चाहिँ कल्चरल डाइभर्सिटीलाई यसले प्रसार गर्न मद्दत गर्दछ. सो फर द्याट अल्सो यस फोक सङ्ग्स आर इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर अस. Okay, my dear student, like this you have to create the answer in your examination. What are the importance of folk song? If the question is asked, then like this, just now whatever I yes recite in front of you, like that you can yes create the yes best answer in the examination. Okay, and similarly they are the ways of expressing love. Okay, they are the ways, means folk song are the ways to express the love, or you can say yes romantic yes moment, similarly message or sorrow too. हामी कसैलाई सन्देश दिनका लागि, रोमान्टिक वातावरण सिर्जनाहरू गर्नका लागि र हाम्रो मायाका भावनाहरूलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्ने यो एउटा माध्यम पनि हो. ओके, यो एउटा माध्यम पनि हो जसको माध्यमबाट हामीले आफ्नो भावनाहरू, विचारहरू, मायाहरू हैन एक्सप्रेस गर्न सक्छौं. So for that our folk songs are very important, okay, in our daily life. So these are these importance, and similarly they are the identity of our culture, our tradition, our dress, okay, our norms and the values too. So these are this importance of folk song. Okay, and similarly how the question is asked in the examination, that is our foremost yes priority to my yes dear student. The question may be asked you like this. Okay, it is given in the yes textbook as exercise, also in the 10 set practice, or you can say the 30 days practice too. Then now listen to me here, how the question may be asked to you in the examination. That is our yes main yes motto or the goal, how to yes write the answer of such types of this question if it is given in this examination. Okay, a cultural festival or you can say fair is going to be yes organized in your community. Okay, either in your school level, either in your yes district too. Okay, if in this way the question is asked, there is this contradiction, त्यहाँ एउटा किसिमको विरोधाभास वातावरण सिर्जना भयो है. A cultural festival or the fair is going to be yes organized in your community or in your district or at this school level. There is this contradiction. Some say yes, different people have different views in that yes fair or festival, either in the school level yes program, either in the yes district level yes program, either in the community yes level yes program. Okay, listen me carefully how the question may ask to you in examination. A cultural festival or the fair is going to be organized in your community or district or at this school level. There is the contradiction among these people. Peopleहरूको बीचमा एक किसिमको विरोधाभास. कसैले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि हैन लोक गायकलाई नै गायककारलाई नै बोलाउनु पर्छ भन्ने चाहिँ मान्यता या चाहिँ के त भ्यू अथवा विचारहरू व्यक्त गरिरहेका छन्. कसैले हैन विदेशी चाहिँ के त गायककारहरूलाई बोलाउनु पर्छ भन्ने खालको चाहिँ त्यहाँ एउटा किसिमको विरोधाभास डिबेट त्यहाँ चल्न थाल्यो है. त now listen to me here, there is the contradiction among the people on who to invite, कसलाई बोलाउने त. Okay, in that program, and either foreign singer or the local folk singers in this program. Which side do you take? Which side do you take? Write your opinion in 4 points. Like this the question is asked. कुनै पनि स्कुल लेभलमा या कम्युनिटी लेभलमा या सोसाइटी लेभलमा, or you can say in the yes national level, the program is going on. Some says that we must have to yes call the yes our local or this national yes folk singers, or some say no, we must have to call to the foreign singers. It became the unique program. Then in this condition, which side you take? Okay, which side you take, that is the question, and you must have to give your opinion in 4 points. Obviously, if this cultural programs or the fairs or the festival that is going on in my school or in my community or in the society, obviously I choose the local folk singer. Then why you choose? You give your argument, that is also right. If you choose the foreign singers, and you must have to give the logical points, that is also right answer. But we are the Nepalese. We must have to love our folk song, our traditional musical instrument, our folk singers. So obviously, I used to take the side on this. I will take this side in the favor of our local or national folk singer due to their following reasons. Now you have to give the reason how in this way. Now follow me please, my dear student, how to write the answer. If the cultural festival or the fair is going on to be organized in my school, or can say community or the society or the district or in the nation, obviously I will take the side of folk singer. Why then? Why you take the side? किन त folk singer को पक्षमा तपाई चाहिँ हुनुहुन्छ त. Now you have to give the logical point. Now first, invitation of the local folk singer helps to once again listen me carefully. The inviting local folk singer helps to preserve and promote our indigenous cultural way of life. Inviting our folk singer helps to promote, preserve on indigenous cultural way of life. जति पनि हामी आदिवासीहरू जनजातिहरू छौं, वास्तविक नेपालीहरू छौं, हामीहरूको पहिचानलाई यसले जगेर्ना गर्न मद्दत गर्दछ. So that I would like to take the side on the side of the folk singer. That is the first reason why you take the side of the folk singer, because inviting the local folk singer helps to preserve and promote our own unique, indigenous culture or cultural way of life. So that I would like to take the side of folk singer. Like this, you must have to create the answer in your examination. Okay, my dear student, like this you must have to take the idea how to write this answer. Now reason 2, calling foreign singer in cultural fair. Calling foreign singer in this cultural fair means that developing this challenging or environment about the encroachment of our folk song, our folk song norms and values. विदेशी गायककारहरूलाई बोलाउनु भनेको हाम्रै देशमा भएका जुझारु, मेहनती, लगनशील गायककारहरूलाई डिमोरलाइज गर्नु हो. त्यसैले so for that I would like to take the side of folk singer for the folk song. Like this you have to create the answer in the examination point of view. Similarly, invitation of this local folk singer helps to know and realize. The invitation of this local folk singer helps to know and to realize the importance of own culture among the youths and the new generation. आउने युवा पुस्ताहरूलाई पनि हाम्रो चाहिँ लोकगीतहरूको बारेमा जानकारी दिनको लागि, उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ प्रोत्साहन गर्नका लागि, उनीहरूलाई यस क्षेत्रमा इन्भल्भमेन्ट गर्नका लागि हामीले यस्ता कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्सहरू, मेला, फेयर्सहरू सञ्चालन हुन गइरहेको क्षेत्रहरूमा हामीले आफ्नै देशको चाहिँ एकदम लोकगीत र लोक गायककारहरूलाई पहिलो प्राथमिकता दिनुपर्छ, न कि विदेशी गायककारहरू. In this way you have to create the answer if such types of the question is asked to you in the examination point of view. Such types of the questions are already asked in pre-CENTEF, CENTEF and C examination and before in the SLC too. So like this you have to create your answer to make your answer fabulous, outstanding, or you can say weighty. And similarly, when the spectators or audience, darshak, when the spectators or this audience participate in this program, यस्ता खालका चाहिँ एकदम धेरै प्रोग्राम्सहरुमा, समारोहहरुमा, आयोजनाहरुमा यदि स्पेक्टर्सहरु SPECTORS, spectators or audience, you can say to भनेको चाहिँ दर्शकहरु, if they participate in the program by using the local custom, हाम्रै मौलिक मतलब पहिचान झल्काउने खालका पोशाकहरुमा उनीहरु चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि संलग्न भए भने, they really develop the feelings of we they really develop this feelings of we हामी र हाम्रो भन्ने भावनाको विकास गर्छ यदि हामीले आफ्नै देशको समाजको समुदायको लोकगीतहरू लोक गायककारहरू र हाम्रो चाहिँ पोशाकहरू झल्किने खालका त्यस्ता कस्टम्सहरूलाई प्रयोग गरियो भने वास्तवमा या नितान्त त्यसले के को सिर्जना गर्छ केलाई विकास गराउँछ त भन्दाखेरि हामी र हाम्रो भन्ने भावनाको विकास गराउँछ जुन कुरा वैदेशिक चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गीत या वैदेशिक चाहिँ के त गायककारहरूलाई बोलाएर त्यो प्राप्त गर्न सकिदैन इट इज इम्पोसिबल देयर इज नो डाउट सो दैट it helps to develop the we and now listen to me here became and it helps to develop the feelings of we and we became the ready to take the ownership त्यो प्रोग्रामको ओनरशिप स्वामित्व हामीले प्राप्त गर्दछौं and it helps to develop the nationalistic feelings राष्ट्रवादको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि भावनाको विकास भएर जान्छ as well as the patriotic feelings देशभक्तको चाहिँ भावनाको विकास भएर जान्छ so that all these are the reasons so far that I would like to take the side of folk song as well as the folk singer in this way my dear student you must have to create your answer in your examination okay and similarly if we analyze or you can say evaluate the present world society especially our youth generation and they are yes influenced by this western song foreign singers and similarly western musical instrument dance and their dresses too so that how the question is asked in the examination okay influence of the foreign medias there are many more channels and the medias now has been developed and boosted up in the present context in the world so that the new generation is mostly attracted अहिलेका नयाँ मतलब चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि युवा वर्गहरू they are attracted towards these foreign songs विदेशी गीतहरू विदेशी चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट और यस foreign singers प्रति उनीहरुको चाहिँ के त झुकाव बढी चाहिँ के त विकास भएको पाइन्छ there is no doubt the how the question is asked okay and what are the possibilities to ask the questions in this lesson okay yes influence of foreign media new generation is mostly attracted towards these foreign songs so some of the folk song some of the folk musical instrument of our nation are on the verge of extinction भनेको हाम्रा लोक गीतहरू लोक म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्टहरू चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि लोप हुने अवस्थामा पुगेका छन् ड्यू टु दिस फरेन मीडिया द न्यू जेनेरेशन्स आर अट्र्याक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दिस फरेन सङ एज वेल एज दिस फरेन म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट एज वेल एज दिस foreign singers so our traditional folk songs are in the condition of this verge of extinction means that लोप हुने अवस्थामा पुगेका छन् र कतिपय भइसकेको अवस्था पनि हो त now listen to me here what should be done to preserve them यस्तो अवस्थामा हाम्रो folk musical folk song folk musical instrument लाई बचाउन हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ like this the question is asked in this examination okay my dear student so once again I would like to recite you what are the possibilities to ask the question in the examinations okay so it is very unique as well as there is mostly practices in this Nepalese society among these new generations new youths the influence of foreign media as well as this new generation is mostly attracted towards towards this foreign song rather than this our original folk song or you can say foreign musical instrument or foreign singers so that our folk songs are in this condition of verge of extinction हाम्रा यस्ता लोक गीतहरू लोप भएर जाने अवस्थामा चाहिँ रहेका छन् त हाम्रा लोक गीतहरूलाई प्रिजर्भ गर्नका लागि बचाउनका लागि प्रमोसन गर्नका लागि हैन के कस्ता गतिविधिहरू गर्न जरुरी छ इज द क्वेशन the like this the question is asked in this examinations to you the how you have to create the answer okay the influence obviously there is no doubt influence of the foreign media or you can say especially for this new generation they are mostly attracted towards this foreign song or foreign musical instrument so that following things must be done or implemented to preserve our folk song which are mentioned below like this you have to start the answer. Now point number first. Now take the idea how to create the answer. Okay, first. Encouraging the different communities to preserve our folk song. हामीले आफ्नो चाहिँ के भन्दा लोकगीतहरूलाई प्रिजर्भ गर्नको लागि, संवर्धन र प्रवर्धन गर्नका लागि, यसको जगेर्ना गर्नको लागि हैन विभिन्न समुदायहरूमा हामीले के त भन्दाखेरि जनचेतनामूलक कार्यक्रमहरू सञ्चालन गर्न जरुरी छ। यसको इम्पोर्टेन्सको बारेमा, यसको महत्त्वको बारेमा त्यस्ता मतलब चाहिँ के होमवर्कहरू हामीले गर्न जरुरी छ। त्यस्ता खालको चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि मतलब चाहिँ के गतिविधिहरू सञ्चालन गर्न जरुरी छ हाम्रो फोक सङ्गलाई बचाउनको लागि। स्पेशली डिफरेन्ट कम्युनिटी आर रिच in their own traditional musical means their folk song as well as their musical instrument, so that encouraging the different communities to preserve our folk song. त्यस्तो खालको गतिविधिहरू सञ्चालन गर्नुपर्छ फर्स्ट। एन्ड सेकेन्ड वान इज द्याट अर्गनाइजिङ द फोक सङ अर्गनाइजिङ द फोक सङ कम्पिटिसन। ओके, यस्ता चाहिँ लोकगीत कम्पिटिसनहरूको आयोजनाहरू गर्नुपर्दछ र जसले चाहिँ त्यसमा राम्रो पर्फर्म गर्छ तिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि एउटा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि एडजस्टेबल चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सम्मानजनक कार्यक्रमहरू पुरस्कृतहरू गर्ने वातावरणको सिर्जनाहरू गर्नुपर्दछ अनि बल्ल युवाहरूलाई यसमा चाहिँ मोटिभेसन गर्न सक्छौँ। त यस्तो खालको गतिविधिहरू सञ्चालन गर्न सकियो भने वी क्यान प्रिजर्भ आवर व्हाट फोक सङ। एन्ड सिमिलरली गभर्नमेन्ट शुड हनर दोज इन्डिभिजुअल्स, स्पेशली सरकारले पनि त्यस्ता व्यक्तिहरू जुन चाहिँ आफ्नो जीवन सानैदेखि हैन आफ्नो जीवनलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि मतलब के त भन्दाखेरि फोक सङ्ग्सहरूमा जुन चाहिँ के त भन्दा अर्पण गरे तिनीहरूलाई सम्मान गर्ने मतलब गतिविधिहरू, उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ के हौसला दिने खालको चाहिँ गतिविधिहरू सरकार पक्षबाट पनि हुन जरुरी छ। अनि बल्ल हामीले आफ्नो फोक सङ्ग्सहरूलाई बचाउन सक्छौँ, जगेर्ना गर्न सक्छौँ, यसको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि विकास गर्न सक्छौँ, यसलाई प्रवर्धन गर्न सक्छौँ हामीहरूले। सो द्याट गभर्नमेन्ट शुड हनर दोज इन्डिभिजुअल्स हु आर इन्भल्भ इन दिस प्रिजर्भेसन एन्ड द प्रमोसन अफ सच टाइप्स अफ द फोक सङ, जसले आफ्नो जीवन नै त्यसमा त्यागे, हाम्रो मौलिक गीतहरूमा आफ्नो जीवन समर्पण गरे त्यस्ता व्यक्तिहरूलाई सरकारले पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि विभिन्न सुविधाहरूको चाहिँ के त व्यवस्थाहरू सम्मान गर्ने खालका चाहिँ गतिविधिहरू सञ्चालन गर्न जरुरी छ उनीहरूलाई मोटिभेट गर्नको लागि। अनि मात्रै हामीहरू केलाई बचाउन सक्छौँ त भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो चाहिँ के फोक सङ्गलाई बचाउन सक्छौँ र यसका बारेमा आउने जेनेरेसनहरू, भावी जेनेरेसन्सहरूलाई बताउन सक्छौँ। अनि मात्रै then only we can success to preserve our folk songs. The such types of the measures or you can say strategies or the programs should be done time and again. घरिघरि यस्ता कार्यक्रमहरू सञ्चालन गर्न जरुरी छ, okay, to preserve our folk song as well as to attract the new generation towards our folk songs rather than foreign song. In this way you must have to create the answer in the examination, my dear student. And similarly media, okay, whatever the media we have in the national level or the district level, either in the capital level, okay, the media, civil society, Nagarik Samaj, okay, similarly as educated people, okay, and related NGOs, INGOs as well as the CBO, okay, it is to launch the various rallies, okay, it is to launch these various rallies time and often, again and again, not to complete the formality only. Okay, so that civil society, similarly educated people, medias, okay, NGOs as well as the INGOs, similarly CBO, all these must be as responsible or must launch the various rallies program. Similarly as street dramas we can launch to show the people about this importance of our folk songs, okay, and awareness campaign awareness campaign भनेको जनचेतनामूलक चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि campaign भनेको अभियानहरू सञ्चालन गर्न सकिन्छ about the importance of these folk songs. And similarly in cultural programs, okay, सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमहरूमा either in the schools, either in the communities, okay, either in the political fairs, राजनीतिक गतिविधिहरूमा पनि स्टेजहरू बनाइएको हुन्छ, नाचगानका कार्यक्रमहरू त्यहाँ चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि समावेश गरिएको हुन्छ। हो यस्ता कार्यक्रमहरूमा okay, our folk song, our folk musical instrument as well as this folk singers must be invited and they must give the top priority to preserve, to promote our folk song and to attract the new generation towards our folk songs, okay, or folk musical instrument. That these are the method if we success to adopt in our daily life, okay, again and again, time and again, then only we can attract our generation or the youth towards our unique traditions, either in the folk song, either in the folk musical instrument or our folk dances. Like this, my dear student, you must have to just create your answer in the examination. Okay. And similarly, now listen to me here. If you have to sing, okay, if the responsibility that is given to you to sing a song representing your community or your country, which song will you sing? यदि my dear student तपाईहरुलाई कुनै पनि गीत गाउन चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि आग्रह गरिएको छ आफ्नो समुदाय आफ्नो समाजलाई चाहिँ के त प्रतिनिधित्व गर्ने खालका सङ्गहरु, त त्यस्तो अपर्चुनिटीमा तपाईहरु यस which song will you sing among the modern, तपाईले चाहिँ के त modern गाना गाउनु हुन्छ कि पप गाना गाउनु हुन्छ कि or folk song. Like this the question is asked in the examination. Like this the question is asked in the examination. So that make the habit to open the lesson, to open the 10 set or 30 days practice. Okay. So again, now listen to me. If you have to sing a song representing your community or your country or yes, okay, which song will you sing? Which song will you sing among the modern or pop or this folk song? यदि तपाईलाई गीत गाउने चाहिँ अवसर दिएको छ, तपाईको समुदायलाई प्रतिनिधित्व गर्ने, रिप्रेजेन्टेसन गर्ने, यस्तो अवस्थामा तपाई मोडर्न गाना गाउनुहुन्छ कि पप गाना गाउनुहुन्छ कि folk song गाउनुहुन्छ? Is the question to you. Okay. The what answer you will write in examination? If I have got this opportunity to sing the song representing my community, obviously I would like to sing folk song. मैले आफ्नै चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि लोक गीत गाउँछु. Why you choose this folk song? Now you have to give the logical point answer in examination. Now first, I would like to choose to sing a song, yes, folk song that represent my community, my society, my caste, my country. First, the folk song represent the locality, culture, traditions of my community, society and the nation. लाई यदि गाना गाउने अवसर प्राप्त भयो भने म बेसिकली obviously म आफ्नै चाहिँ मौलिक लोकगीत गाउँछु, किनभने they represent this locality. त्यो गीतले मेरो लोक्यालिटीलाई चाहिँ प्रतिनिधित्व गर्दछ, रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्दछ. Okay. Culture and tradition of my community, of my society and my nation. So for that I used to sing my folk song, not modern, not pop. Okay, my dear student, like this you have to create your answer in examination. Now second, they narrate. Our folk song narrate means वर्णन गर्दछ our way of life, our culture, our tradition, our occupation, our costume, पोशाकलाई रिप्रेजेन्टेसन गर्दछ. त they narrate about the lifestyle of this local people. Local peopleहरुको चाहिँ लाइफस्टाइलले वर्णन गर्दछ. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि म यदि अपर्चुनिटी पाए गीत गाउनको लागि भने म मोडर्न र पप हैन, मेरो आफ्नै देशको मौलिक लोकगीत गाउँछु. Like this you have to create the answer for examination. Okay, my dear student, like this you have to go fluently ahead to create this answer. Similarly, as third, they represent our national identity, which help us to be known uniquely in the world. The such types of the folk song, yes, means that is represent our national identity, okay, which yes help us to be known uniquely in all over the world. So for that also, I like to sing a song, folk song, not modern, not pop, or not rap, okay. And similarly, next one, now listen to me here. It is based on the typical tradition, means that विशिष्ट परम्परामा आधारित भएर यसको विकास भएको हुन्छ. त परम्परालाई बचाउनको लागि पनि for the promotion of our traditions, okay, I like to choose, I means that I used to sing this folk song. Okay, but it is based on this typical traditions, cultural lifestyle of this particular group of people and helps to develop the nationalistic feelings, okay, as well as the patriotic feelings. So all these reasons are there, so that I would like to use to sing what this folk song. Like this you have to create the answer for this examination point of view. And next one is that how the question may be asked to you. Now listen to me here. If you meet or you get an opportunity to meet this famous folk singer of our country, and now you also get this chance to take this interview with them, then what kinds of the question you will ask to take this interview with them? Like this also the question is asked in this examination. Okay, if such types of the question is asked for you in examination, then you have to write the answer like this. To follow me and listen me, my dear student. And yes, what encourage, okay, what encourage you to be a folk singer? तपाईलाई के त्यस्तो चीजहरुले इन्करेज गर्यो जसले गर्दाखेरि हजुर या हजुर चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि लोक गायक बन्नु भयो? त्यस्तो के चीजले तपाईलाई इन्करेज गर्यो र तपाई यो पेशामा आबद्ध हुनु भयो? Like this, you have to ask this question. You have to prepare the questionnaire. But in examination, while preparing the questionnaire, don't forget to write the question mark. If question mark is not mentioned, means that marks is minimized. So you must have to keep in your mind. Okay, my dear student. Now listen to me here. What encourage you to be a folk singer? तपाईलाई के चीजले त्यस्तो चाहिँ उत्प्रेरणा गर्यो? तपाईँ चाहिँ folk singer नै बन्न रुचाउनु भयो त? Like this, the question you have to ask to this folk singer if you got this opportunity to meet them, or you got this chance to take this interview. And second, how many songs have you recorded so far? अहिलेसम्म हजुरले कतिवटा गाना रेकर्ड गर्नु भयो? Like this. And similarly, can you earn for your living by singing the folk song? तपाईले आफ्नो जीवन यापन गर्नका लागि यो गीत गाएर सम्भव भएको छ? तपाईले आफ्नो जीवन यापन गर्न सहज भएको छ गीत गाएर आफ्नो जीवनलाई चाहिँ अगाडि सञ्चालन गर्न सक्ने अथवा वातावरण सृजना छ हाम्रो देशमा? Like this, the question you must have to ask to this folk singer if you got the opportunity to take this interview. And similar last one, are you planning to sing this modern pop song? तपाईले चाहिँ modern pop songहरु गाउने कुनै योजनाहरु बनाउनु भएको छ? Like this, you have to take this interview, or you can make what the questionnaire. Okay, my dear student, thank you very much by watching me. And this much for today, and again tomorrow we will meet on the same time, and thank you very much. Have a nice day, my dear student. Thank you.